My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hello everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video we're going to go through some applications to the Chum Kiu form dealing with straight and low round punches and high round punches. But before we do that, I need you to go to the boxes and click like and subscribe and click the bell to always to keep up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you all for your continued support and have a great day.
Okay, we're now going to combine the T-step U-Sao with the low bong sao. So you deal with a high round parallel. I step off, I use the U-Sao, I catch. Now here you can use either the front kick or the side kick, right? So he throws a down punch, T-step U, you can go right into the side kick. I'm a big fan of sometimes things just go awry. You didn't land it well, you slipped off, so you should always have a backup plan. Stole it from the Navy SEALs. 2 is 1, 1 is none. So I come through, and for whatever reason, I didn't score well here. I missed. I didn't hit him good enough. It didn't stop him. He steps out, throws a low round punch. Stay in that release position. My low bong sao, come across, pull punch jump. So again, coming from here, T-step U, front kick, step down, low bone, create space. I use that back step, go back into pull punch jump. So another aspect of the back step from the second section is no matter what, something comes to me, create space. Everything in fighting comes down to distance and timing. One more time. I come here, I create my space, I take my kick, he comes in. If I stay here, I'm gonna be too tight. So I need to take that back space and create room. Even if he tries driving this into me, I'm still gonna rotate out for the Popeye jerk. One more time. T-step view, front kick, comes in. I have to match his distance. I take a back step, cover it with bone, move across, Popeye jump. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered. And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.